Advisory Council in the board ay wala iba, kundi si Mr. Christopher Brother po De Leon. Sir, may we please invite you to say a few words sa ating pong community.
Yeah. Good evening. Congratulations. Oh. Sila na rin. Actually, hindi na tayo tumagal dito. Kami na lang advisor. Anyway, yeah, this is sort of para sa atin, this is a must. We need this. As actors, we need to be united, especially sa ating bansa, no? Kasi medyo kalat-kalat tayo ngayon, right after the pandemic, yun nga sinasabi nitong we need to be organized. So, we have to help each other, and especially like cinema is not doing that well, but we have to be together to make this all work out well. So may our good Lord God bless this group. Gabayan tayo sa ating mga dapat gawin para itong organisasyon na ito, itong actor organization, ay maging patagumpay sa mga dapat natin gawin at sa susunod pa natin gagawin. Nilapitan ko ni Dingdong kung pwede daw ako maging advisor. Sabi ko, why not? I'm sure I will do my best to be help for the industry na siyang bumuhay po sa akin at sa aking pamilya. So, paying forward, I will do anything for the group. Alright? Okay, thank you very much.
At siyempre, dalawa na po ang ating mga advisors na talagang willing tumulong at ako excited na po kung marinig din ang sasabihin ng ating pangatlong advisor. Ang tawag ko po sa kanya, Tatay Gustavo, pero ngayon meron na siyang bagong pamilya sagrado. Wala iba po kundi si Tirso Cruz. Dito, Pip!
Thank you. I will not take up much of your time. I'm sure tayong mga artista, pagka ganitong may okasyon, bihira mangyari ito na nagkakasama-sama tayo. Madalas nagkakagrupo-grupo tayo pagka meron lang tayong mga show o pelikulang ginagawa. But to have the opportunity to be together in a setting like this, and ang pinakamaganda rito, ang pinaka-importante is we're looking forward for the betterment of us actors and our industry and our craft. So, kami po magiging handa sa inyo katulad ng madalas sabihin ni Miss Vilma Santos, kapag kasi umabot kayo sa edad namin 36. Huwag naman yung pagtawanan. Parang pinagtatawanan. Hindi ba, Ate Bisa po 36 ka lang? Oh. Ay, bakit kinokontra nyo? Sino ko kontra kay Ate B 36? Wala.
Pipo!
Bakit ako? Hindi ko kukontra rin yan eh. No, kidding aside, for us seniors, we'll always be here. Maaaring hindi ho kami nasa bahagi ng board, but as advisors, we will always be at your beck and call. At kung ano mang maitutulong namin, we will do our very best. Gaya na sinabi rin Mr. De Leon, let us really hold hand in hand to really bring back the golden days of Philippine movie industry. Andyan po ang streaming, pero iba pa rin po. Iba pa rin yung po, sabi nga nila, iba pa rin yung manunood ka ng pelikula sa big screen. Iba pa rin po ang dating nun. It's not just watching a movie, but it's a community affairs, sabi nga na. So, thank you very much for considering me to be an advisor, and I hope I will be a good one at it. Thank you.
And to complete the lineup sa ating pong Advisory Council, ito, wala pong iba kung hindi si Ma'am Vilma Santos. Let's go! Sigaw mo palapakan. Inang Ate V sa ating lahat.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Marami na pong nagsalita dito bilang magiging mga advisor sa aktor. So, sa lahat po ng sinabi nyo, copy-paste. Seriously, siguro, I noticed tayong mga advisors, parang puro senior citizen, ano? Okay. But I will be honest, being more than 6 decades in this industry is no joke. Matagal-tagal na rin po kami dito. Boy, at kasama ka dito. Huwag kang mag-ano dyan tayo ito. 35. It's really hard to be 35 and gorgeous. You know? But anyway, seriously, kami po ng mga senior ay marami ng pinagdaanan sa industriya. Lahat ng mga leaders natin at mga nire-respeto ng mga senior stars noon, like the late king of Philippine movies, Fernando Poe Jr., of course, nandiyan yung ating pong tinutulong ding ama ng industriya, si President Erap, marami, the late Rudy Fernandez. Inabot na po namin lahat yan na marami ang sumubok na talagang pagtibayin ang ating industriya. Malaki po ang kanilang nagawa. Pero the way things are going, it's a different thing now. Teknolohiya na po ang labanan. Kami noon, manual, kanya-kanya. Do your thing, and then let's work together. But this time, kalaban na natin is technology. Kalaban natin is social media. And whether we like it or not, let's face it, the status of our industry now, movie industry, is not in a good position. And I guess, tama po yung sinabi ng iba, what we need now is really teamwork. In order for us to work as a team, binanggit po kanina ang daming iba't ibang kasing organization. But the way things are going, correct me if I'm wrong, parang kanya-kanya. Ditong grupo namin, ditong grupo namin. I think at this point in time, it's about time we work as a team. We are one family in this industry. So, sana po, this is just the start. Actor is only 3 years old. When I was talking to my inaanak, si Ding Dong, and I was telling him, Ding Dong, 3 years old pa lang ang aktor. So, ang dami nating pangarap for this organization. Binanggit mo lahat yan kanina, the mission and vision. And the mission and vision ng aktor ay hindi madali. Hindi po madali. But I think with the help of each and every one, we can do it doable and workable. If we will just give our own little contribution and really put and serve from our heart to really save the industry. I think, I guess that's the most important thing. Sana po, this time, I will be honest enough, kung kausap ko yung inaanak ko, he's the chairman. Sabi ko nga, pillar ka eh, ikaw ang nag-umpisa. At kaya kita hinahangaan, inaanak. Because I can see, isa ng matagal sa industriya, driven ka eh. You know, what we need now is new blood, bagong dugo. And we seniors are here to support you. Please don't hesitate. Anything we can do to be of help, please don't hesitate. We will always be here for you. Okay? So, sa mga new blood natin, huwag kayong mag-alala. Basta't mag-solid lang tayo, nagkakaintindihan tayo, tamang programa para sa lahat ng tiga-industriya. Don't hesitate because we will give our 100% support. You know why? For us senior stars, this is our payback time. Kung anong matutulong namin, payback time. Nandito kami para sa inyo. Okay? So, let's just continue. I think sa status ng ating industriya, I'm very, very positive. Mabubuhay natin ito. Mabubuhay natin ito sa pagtutulungan natin. Let's continue to work as a team and let's continue to work as a family. Kasi, kung hindi tayo kikilos, sinong kikilos? Kung hindi ngayon, kailan pa? Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay ang aktor!